तूने फोन किया
But
लेगा
texture is not okay, yeah? Texture is not okay. Okay. No, but he was working on it.
Ah, yes.
This is just like a mold, you know.
Ah.
Late Mr. Vijay Khattu, the sculptor.
Got it right in there.
He was
Yep.
the gentleman we shot last year. He's one of the legendary Ganesha sculptors of Mumbai. A great man, humble man, an amazing man.
Look at this stuff. Not painted yet. Still beautiful. Good.
Good morning to all my friends, lovers of Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, and the most auspicious god and the brand equity of Mumbai. I mean, Ganesha is incomplete without Mr. Vijay Khatu. Today I have tears in my eyes because Mr. Vijay Khatu meant a lot to me. I always made it a point to come here with my friend Craig. Craig is an American, but Craig was as crazy about Mr. Vijay Khatu as I was. And today we are sitting in the office and offering our condolence to Miss Reshma, Mr. Khatu's daughter. And we would just like to take a few words from her. How did this happen? I mean, was he
No, he was suffering from the stress and he was already having diabetes and BP. And
okay?
because of the work stress, he used to neglect all the health part. So it has happened suddenly.
But you know, he never showed this stress.
No, not at all.
Every time I met him, he would never talk about stress. He would, and he was the most hospitable. Your father was very hospitable. Your father was a legend, and still, and he will always remain a legend because among all the sculptors that are there, your father was number one. I still think he's number one. So I feel really, I mean, there is a void, you know, without him. Today at this place, I find there is a certain sadness, a sudden loneliness, and even Ganesha is feeling, you know, I mean, I think Ganesha is missing the touch of Mr. Vijay Khatu. So what would you like to say to some of his, you know, there are people that love him besides me. I'm a Muslim guy, you know, but I am also a lover of Ganesha and I have been coming here for ages. I mean, I learned my photography because of Lord Ganesha and Mr. Khatu. And I bought him here. Craig, you know, I introduced Craig to this workshop and Craig has got a lot of recognition because of his Ganesha pictures. So आप कुछ दो तीन लफ्ज़ कह दीजिए ना जो
Yes,
उनके
we are going to continue
His-
his passion.
Okay.
And we are going to continue every year. It is like, this is not the end. He is not with us.
It's a beginning.
Yeah, it's a big
I wish you all the best and God give you the strength, you and your family, to bear this irreparable loss, and God give you the strength to carry on your frail shoulders the heritage of your father. Jai Maharashtra. I'm at the workshop of Mr. Vijay Khatu, late Vijay Khatu Sahab. I am embarrassed to say late because Mr. Vijay Khatu was never late. He was always on time. He was so punctual about his work. He was so dedicated, and he had such a passion. He had a passion of a poet, you know. His daughter, I just spoke to her a few minutes back, and she said that her father used to have a lot of stress. But I never ever, all these years, I never ever found a single trace of stress. He never showed it. He never ever showed his pain. I think his pain was with his workers, you know. He saw that they lived happily, that they worked, and you know, and this season when Ganesha enters into the hearts of a Mumbaiker was a very, very big thing. And I tell you, today, you know, there is a void, there is a kind of sadness and loneliness because Mr. Vijay Khatu Sahab is no more. But then again, a part of me says, no, he's there, he's there. He's with Reshma. He's within Reshma, and he's within all the people that work for him. And I wish her the very best. I hope she carries on the heritage of her father and reclaims his recognition and reclaims his heritage and gives it to all of us. Thank you. Craig, come there. And this is Craig Bowman from America. And he shot Mr. Vijay Khatu last year. It was a very big thing, and he was highly impressed. And Craig told me, I said, I've never seen such humble sculptors in my life. Because Mr. Vijay Khatu never took credit for what he did. He gave the credit to his workers. This is the beauty, and this is his work, you know. This is his work of Mr. Vijay Khatu. And I'm taking you down memory lane, and these are his workers. And the machine of life, and the remover of obstacles, the auspicious God of Mumbai, the God of all good things, Lord Ganesha. आप उनके कौन लगते हैं? खाला। और बताइए, बड़ा सन्नाटा है आपकी आंखों में मुझे लग रहा है कि एक बड़ी नर्मता जैसी आ गई है। आप मतलब अकेले हो गए ऐसा लग रहा है, लेकिन फिर मुझे लगता है आप अकेले हो ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि पीछे गणेश है। तो आप क्या करेंगे, मतलब किस तरह से उनकी विरासत को आगे लेते जाएंगे? बहुत अच्छा। आपका नाम क्या है? महेंद्र। आप उनके ब्रदर इन लॉ हैं। ठीक है। आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। आपका नाम क्या है? किशोर कुमार। और अच्छा, आप विजय साहब के साथ कितने साल से काम कर रहे हैं? 5 साल। आज आपके लाइफ में अकेलापन आ गया। लेकिन एक गुरु आपका पीछे भी तो है। नहीं, सब सही हो जाएगा, सब सही हो जाएगा। और बेटा, आपका नाम क्या है? ए बेटा, आपका नाम क्या है? क्या लग रहा है अभी आपको विजय, अभी खाटू साहब के बिना आपको कैसा लग रहा है? I mean, what are your feelings? उनकी याद आती है। अच्छा, आप कितने साल से उनके अंडर काम कर रहे थे? 17 साल से। ठीक। He has been working with Mr. Vijay Khatu for 17 years, and there is a sadness all around. There is an absolute sadness, and yet Ganesha will take care of all these workers of Mr. Vijay Khatu. And this is my Shraddhanjali, this is my tribute to a great sculptor. Just hold this. This is my tribute to a great sculptor, late Vijay Khatu Sahab. Late Vijay Khatu Sahab was not just an ordinary maker of murtis. He was a person who was larger than life. He was very big-hearted, very kind. I mean, he used to love me for one more reason. He used to love me because I was a Muslim and I promoted Hinduism as a way of life, as culture, and this is my inheritance. I mean, Lord Ganesha is the same for all of us. He is good luck for you, me, and everyone. Jai Maharashtra. This is Chintamani, the last work of Mr. Vijay Khatu.
Structure is not okay.
Huh?
Structure is not okay.
Okay. No, but he was working on it.
Yes.
This is just like a mold, you know.